dress up the crystal. Okay, this one, top coat this one. And here for 60 seconds, and these nails are completely done. Oh, this one is so pretty. It's summertime. Great. What's Melissa saying? Melissa says, dress my nails. My nails? Okay, we can do that. You can pick out the design for me. Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. I'm gonna dress Crystal up for this one. Let's see a Crystal. Aha. Look, I'm gonna let it with me. I'm gonna put some. You can't do it like that. Condensed glue gel. It's gonna kill that. What? Should we do my nails? But can I have some neon? I want some neons on. Okay, don't hesitate to blend it out. If your first time doing our condensed glue gels, feel free to blend it out nicely. I know it's supposed to be okay, Lillian. Can we order a set of nails from you? Hello, mommy. Yeah, absolutely. You want a custom nails and you press on, or I can't do your nails unless you are here with me. But definitely you can get a set of nails. We'll have a coffin shaped gelato almonds press on. So no wipe top coat, or you can come and see me and I can do your beautiful nails. Kayla, is it Kayla? Yeah, Kayla Lynn. Okay, floating on the top. I don't want to do any blue because it doesn't look like this blue, so I am gonna dress this. I'm gonna dress this baby up. Oh. Oh, looks good. Just another one. And then one. And then one. I don't want to cover my my dramatic glitter. This is for the raindrops. I love this shape. Number 23. Where are my frame messed up? We have so many cool things that you can really experience it. This looks stunning. Key it for 60 seconds. If you're happy with this, I'm gonna key it for 60 seconds. Great. This nail are completely done. Looks cool though, stunning. 3 of them. And like I have a spring coming. I don't know, I just love the neon. Like it's so bright. Love it. Yes, Tunamax, we do have stiletto phone tips. We do have it. If you look at on the website, it's at phone tips, stiletto. Yes, neon. No, Tunamax, you can watch it over on the video. Live Ras, but you got to do each nails and we'll pick the design. Okay, now we can do the design. Oh, thank you so much, Dazzle DJs. You're so sweet. Great, so I am gonna using, let me move this one. But you know what, I only have my right hand and I'm gonna do my left hand. I'm gonna be in the mood of short nails right now. Okay, precision glue. This is amazing. Crystal best friends, my clients love this scene. After they getting a crystal placement on, they're so afraid of, they used to be worried about catching on the hair and the clothes and everything else. This will help so much, and it actually seal in any gap and edges of the nails. Twin tip brush. Gonna using twin tip brush and then blend this, the extra precision glue. So then after you cure, it won't not looks lumpy bumpy. Cure for 60 seconds and this nail completely done. Looks so stunning. Okay, what I am doing with my nails now, that's gonna be, I'll do one nails for you. Look at my nails. It's so, I don't know, I feel weird. I might take it off tomorrow. Just kidding. Maybe next week. I wait for 1 week. But the nails I have it on, I stay on 3 weeks. Really stunning. Today, my students, well, Ali, she's amazing. She's removed them and she's have a hard time to remove all the crystal. They'll stay really, really, really good on. So what should I do this? It feels so weird though, everyone. I'm never wearing like this for long period of time. Long time. I remember when is that? But, oh no. I did have it last in November and December. I'm wearing it shorter, but I'm wearing it almond shape or whatever it is. But I never wearing square for, I think maybe a long, long period of time. Maybe 4, 5, 6, 7 years. I don't remember. This nail are completely done.